Welcome to the Municipality of Carmen, Surigao del Sur.
The first Makong Kaumahan Festival has been put together not only as a way to bring joy and merriment to the municipality for the first time in its 36-year history, but because of what the LGU aims to achieve for the slice of land between Madrid and Lanuza, lies the sleepy secret that is Carmen Surigao del Sur. But unbeknownst to its people, this is a gem, taking strides to achieve its main goal to be an agro-industrial frontier of the region. With a 14,000-hectare land area, Carmen is home to 10,347 people, according to the 2015 census. It is a fifth-class municipality made up of 8 barangays: Poblacion, Santa Cruz, Puyat, Antao, Cancaban, Esperanza, Hinapuyan, Gacob, and San Vicente. The main sources of income of the municipality comes from high-value agricultural products, such as rice, that covers 18.4% of the total land area. Corn serves as an alternative for rice as a staple for a Carmenanan, while the cultivation of corn covers 170 hectares. Vegetables and coconut, which comprise a total area of 1,706 hectares. Makong Kaumahan, which literally means wide field, is derivative of the agricultural landscape the Carmen is most known for, but it also has parts of it that has been best kept from even some of the locals. These spots seems like they have been untouched, but are still worth a day trip in case a tourist wants to take a trip off the beaten path. The Hubasin Recreational Haven in San Vicente is a part of a Greenbelt program. The idyllic view of a hanging bridge, white cement cottages, and an assortment of boulders make for an ideal picnic haven for families and weary travelers in need of a pit stop. The Carmen Mangrove Forest Recreational Park can also be developed to further foster the cultivation of the mangroves, as well as promote the education for its planting and sustainability. The Suwa Cold Spring in Esperanza is by far the most visited, as it has been transformed into a go-to place with pools of cold water that seems to pull you in for a dip. And the Balinganga Falls in Cancaban are some of the places that you can go to, have some downtime with nature, cold water, and the sound of raging currents in the background. If there is one thing Carmen can be good for besides what you have seen so far, it is the best kept secret for people who wants to leave the cacophony of the city sounds to what it must sound like when nature hums. So what will it take for you to realize that Carmen Surigao del Sur is one place you'd make the effort to see? Because if anything, the Carmenianans are an indication that it is never too late to aspire for the best version of yourself. This is Carmen standing ode to its people and the local government that better days are coming, and it's a journey worth taking to see Surigao del Sur's agricultural frontier.